Welcome to 8723 13th Avenue Northwest, a light-filled Crown Hill bungalow with bonus space that opens up to endless possibilities. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home blends vintage charm with modern comfort, featuring original hardwoods, molding, and a cozy gas fireplace. The kitchen offers a bright breakfast nook and coved ceilings that elevate the space. But the real standout is out back, a detached 480 square foot DADU that expands your options. With a sleek island kitchen, 3/4 bath, laundry, and a private deck, it's perfect for guests, a rental, or your dream work from home setup. The large deck and private fenced yard offer room to relax or entertain with mature trees all around. Located in Seattle's beloved Crown Hill neighborhood, you're close to parks, cafes, and everything Ballard has to offer. At $799,995, this property gives you flexibility, style, and space, all in one of the city's most inviting communities.